All concrete must be cured a minimum of 7 days and be dry to the touch before applying PolyGuard waterproofing. Lightweight structural concrete must be dried a minimum of 14 days prior to waterproofing application. PolyGuard waterproofing materials should only be applied under proper weather conditions. A temperature of 45 degrees Fahrenheit and above is required for 665 and NW75 membrane application. Surfaces to receive the PolyGuard waterproofing system materials must be smooth, dry, and free of dust, dirt, loose aggregate, or other foreign materials. Surfaces must be free of voids, spalled areas, loose aggregate, and sharp protrusions. Surfaces must be free of contaminants from release agents that contain wax, oil, silicone, or pigment. For spot leveling and filling cracks greater than 3/16 inch, use LM95 or LM85 as applicable. Apply 650 RC liquid adhesive at a rate of 400 square feet per gallon, 250 square feet on milled surfaces, using lamb's wool roller, brush, squeegee, or spray apparatus. Allow primer to dry until tack-free. Prime only the area which can be covered with membrane in the same working day. Areas primed and not covered with membrane within 24 hours should be reprimed. 665 waterproofing membrane is a self-adhering membrane consisting of rubberized asphalt laminated to a woven polypropylene backing. NW75 is a self-adhering membrane consisting of non-woven polypropylene fabric. They are used to form a membrane layer with a minimum thickness of 65 mils. 665 and NW75 is packaged in boxed rolls of the following dimensions: 12-inch by 200 feet, 24-inch by 100 feet, and 48-inch by 50 feet, with each roll covering 200 square feet of surface. The membrane is delivered on a silicone release liner that serves as a carrier. The release liner is removed during the application of the membrane. 665 and NW75 waterproofing membranes are self-adhering, consisting of rubberized asphalt laminated to a woven 665 or non-woven NW75 geotextile. Side laps should be a minimum of 3 inches and end laps a minimum of 6 inches. Roll the entire membrane with either a 75-pound hand roller or pneumatic roller to ensure adhesion. Do not use steel drum rollers on the membrane. Sealing overlaps. Option number 1. 650 mastic should be applied to all edges, overlapping seams and end terminations. Sealing overlaps. Option number 2. Apply a nominal 3-inch wide spray of 650 liquid adhesive using spray application equipment on all side and end laps. All end terminations must still be sealed with mastic to ensure proper waterproofing. A tack coat of asphalt or asphalt emulsion is applied prior to the bituminous overlay. Overlay the membrane with a minimum of 1.5 inches compacted asphalt, with 2 inches asphalt overlay recommended.